Previously, I uploaded a video onto this channel about pink stuff and how it worked on my Fiat Seicento in the past. Well, today we're going to be making another pink stuff video, and we're going to be using the pink stuff cream cleaner, as well as the pink stuff multi-purpose spray, because today we're going to see if it cleans off the rust on the wheels of my van. Now, as you can see here, I've already prepped the wheels, I've already cleaned them up and hopefully got as much dirt off as possible to make this a fair video of result. So now it's time to see if pink stuff can clean rust off these abominable steel wheels. Let's start off with the pink stuff, the Miracle multi-purpose cleaner, as we just spray the wheel down. And we're going to take a brand new sponge with an abrasion side, and we're just going to slightly rub over the wheels to aggravate any possible rust. As you can see, there's quite a lot of rust on the wheel. Now, moving on to the next wheel, we're going to be using the pink stuff cream cleaner on this one. See if this does anything better. Again, a brand new sponge, and we're just going to be wiping all the cream cleaner into all the crevices and on the rust, and then we'll leave it for a bit, wipe it off and see how it comes out basically. We're going to switch this video up a little bit. As you've seen that we've been using pink stuff products on the van. Well, we're not going to be using pink stuff this time, funnily enough, as I'm going to be using this wheel, which is absolutely abysmal, as a neutralizer zone, I guess, because I've got this product here. Now, it's unbranded, but it's actually the cheapest spray that you can get in Dunelm. Now, I'll link it down below so you can have a look at it and everything, and it seems to work at home. I've used it on carpets to get stains out of carpets and stuff as well. So I thought, why don't we use this to see if it works on the wheel as well? Now, I understand this isn't pink stuff, and to be honest, you'd want me to be putting pink stuff paste all over the wheel, but I don't actually have any pink stuff paste at the moment. So, this is a test to see if the Dunelm product also works, and does it do better than pink stuff? Well, let's give it a shot. Now, this wheel is abysmal. As you can see, there is just rust caked around everywhere, so let's give this spray a shot. Now, as you're aware, vans have 4 wheels, and this is the 4th wheel. I don't think I'm going to be doing this wheel, purely because it's not going to be a fair test. As you can see, I've spray painted quite a lot of it in the past, so it wouldn't be a fair test if there's spray paint, because you can't actually see where the rust is, where the dirt is. So I'm going to completely leave this wheel out of the test, but that's okay. Anyways, let's get back to the first wheel. Oh my goodness, this wheel looks absolutely amazing. It's not got all the rust, sure, but it's done an amazing job. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the last of the pink stuff spray here, and I'm just going to spray it down and wipe it down with a little rag, just so we can see a full picture of what it looks like. Wow, that is a heavily coated wheel in the cream cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use a little bit of the pink stuff Miracle Cleaner spray so we can wipe it down and have a good look underneath to see what it looks like. Can you see any difference in this wheel? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd really like to know. And finally, we are on to our mixed bag one, a budget Dunelm spray. How do you think this one's come out? Absolutely beautiful. Can you see any difference from when we started this? I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that's the end of the video. Which product did you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd really like to know. Was it the budget Dunelm spray, link in the description below, the pink stuff spray, again, link in the description below, or the Miracle Cream Cleaner, once again, Link in the description below if you're interested in any of these products. I don't know which one did best. Possibly the spray for me, the Pink Stuff spray. The Pink Stuff spray did a pretty good job, I won't lie. That wheel has come out absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye for now.
The end.